Give Me Hold Flexible Hairspray. Now this is my product of choice when I want hair to stay in place, give it that hold that I'm after. When I want a set hair. I'm going to go through the hair now and just work it and show you how it performs. So let's bring the hair forward a little bit. Just shake it into place. I'm going to use my hairspray and just go through. Work it through. As I'm spraying. Now, as I'm spraying, I just want to talk about some of the key ingredients in our products. So the first one is panthenol. That retains moisture to the hair because hairsprays tend to dry the hair out. Then we have copolymers, which protect the hair from humidity and stop hair from frizzing and flyaways. So brush it out a little bit. It's also gluten-free and vegan friendly as well. But as you can see, just working it through, I can just brush that through. Still gives me the hold I'm after. As you can see, it's still got a nice shine to it as well. Just spray that into shape. Just spin around slowly. The great thing about this product as well is if you've styled the hair and you're not happy with the shape, you can actually go through it, brush it through, break it down again, and then you can go over it and relayer it and put it back into shape as well. It is a real brushable hairspray, gives me the shape I'm after and gives me the hold I'm after. And not too heavy, not too sticky. So there you have it, flexible hold hairspray.